Are you looking for a new condo in downtown Grand Rapids?
Then look no further than the units at Tannery Row.
Located in the heart of it all, with convenient access to restaurants, bars, and events at the Van Andel Arena.
Each unit features stunning hardwood floors, tall ceilings, and exposed brick walls for an industrial feel.
Plus, off-street parking and secure entrance, your safety and convenience are at a premium.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in the center of it all.
Come check out the units at Tannery Row, your new downtown oasis. If you have questions about these condos or any others in the downtown Grand Rapids area, give me a call at 616-275-5938.